On Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, you can also turn on the ability to detect your blood oxygen levels while you are sleeping. And for that, you have to go into the Samsung Health app, then go in settings, scroll down and you will find blood oxygen during sleep. Once you have turned this feature on, while you are sleeping, your watch will detect your blood oxygen levels and will show you the next day in your sleep activity. So to find this out, go into the sleep settings here and you will be able to see your sleep stats. But if you scroll down at the end, you will see your blood oxygen level while you were sleeping, and it shows you the minimum level of the blood oxygen level that it dropped to. Moving on, you can also set up your Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro to detect any activities that you are doing, even if you have not started tracking that activity. And to set this up, go in Samsung Health app, go in settings and then scroll down. You will see activities to detect. Now in here, first you can turn this feature on and it will be able to auto detect workouts, and then you can go in these workouts separately and turn them on or off. And if you go in walking and running activity, you can then also select record location. So the watch will detect and record your location as well. Did you know that you can also set up your Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro to alert you when your heart rate drops down to a certain level or your heart rate goes up a certain level? You can set this up by going into the Samsung Health app, go in settings and then go in heart rate. Now if you will scroll down, you will find heart rate alerts. Now you can go in high heart rate and select the number here. It goes all the way up to 150. You can press it and then go in low heart rate and select the number here, and it goes all the way down to 40. So whenever your heart rate hits that level, the watch will alert you. Similarly, whenever your heart rate falls below that level, your watch will alert you. Now one thing to keep in mind here is that this feature only works if you have continuous heart rate measurement turned on. If you select 10 minutes or manual measurement, this feature will not work. When it comes to health, you can also set up inactive time alerts, so your Galaxy Watch 5 Pro will keep you on your toes. So to turn this feature on, go in Samsung Health, scroll all the way down and go in settings, and here scroll down until you find inactive time alerts. Turn it on, and from here you can also select the window of time during which your watch will detect this inactivity, so it will not be disturbing you when it's time for your rest or when you're sleeping or on your weekends. So once you've done that, your watch will alert you after 50 minutes of inactivity, so you can then get up and stretch or take a few steps and stuff like that. Moving on, you can also set up your Galaxy Watch 5 Pro to detect your snoring while you're sleeping. Now there are two prerequisites for this feature. You should be wearing the watch at night and your phone should be on charging. Once you have these covered, go in the Samsung Health app on your Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, then go in settings, scroll down until you find snore detection. Go in here and it will take you to your phone. Now here you can set up these settings. You can turn it on. You can select to always detect snoring, or you can also set it up to select snoring for one session. You can also select to record the audio of your snoring, and then there is also an option to select after how many days the recordings will be deleted. Now here it also tells you about the two prerequisites I have already told you about. You have to wear your watch at night and your phone should be on charging and close to you, because your phone will be doing the recording, not the watch. Now once you have done that and you have worn your watch at night to detect your sleep, next day when you will go into your sleep data, you can scroll down and you will find your snoring activity. So you can go in here and play and listen to your snoring as well, which is really cool and funny actually. And you will be able to find these snoring recordings for each sleep session that you have recorded with this watch.